Hello students. So today we are going to discuss question number 1 of exercise 7.3. So actually exercise 7.3 was already uploaded, but unfortunately the videos were deleted, so that's why I am going to again discuss exercise 7.3. So here first question is, triangle ABC and triangle DBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base BC, and vertices A and D are on the same side of BC. So if AD is extended to intersect BC at point P, so the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and ABP and ACP are also congruent. And also we have to prove that AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So first, from triangle ABD and ACD, from triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So here we can write AB equal to AC. So this one is given, isosceles triangles. So AB equal to AC. And the next one is BD equal to CD. This one is also given. Next we can write AD equal to AD, common. So by SSS similarity, by SSS congruence rule, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So first one is proved. Next part, triangle ABP and ACP. From triangle ABP and triangle ACP. So here we can say AB equal to AC. This one is given. So next one is, we can say BAP equal to CAP. Why? BAP, this one, and CAP, these two angles are equal because we have already proved that ABD and ACD are congruent. Since these two triangles are congruent, then these are equals because CPCT. So we can write just proved above or proved earlier. So third condition is AP equal to AP common. AP equal to AP common. So AP equal to AP common. So we can say that by SAS congruence rule, we can say ABP is congruent to triangle ACP. Number 3 is AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. So to prove this part, at first we have to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. First proved ABD and ACD are congruent. If they are congruent, then we can say that BDA equal to CDA or BAD equal to CAD, CPCT. Since these two angles are equal, so we can say that AP bisect angle A as well as angle D. And fourth one is AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So to prove that, at first we have to prove ABP and ACP are congruent. Then we have to prove that angle APB is equal to angle APC is equal to 90 degree. Then we can say that AP is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So this part is also in homework for you. Okay, let's discuss question number 2 also. So AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. So first draw an isosceles triangle. Let this one is an isosceles triangle ABC, and AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC, and given AB equal to AC, and we have to prove that AD bisect BC. So from triangle ABD and ACD, from triangle ABD and triangle ACD, from triangle ABD and ACD, we can say that ADB and ADC, these two angles are equal because 90 degree. So ADB equal to ADC, and the reason is 90 degree. Next one we can say AB equal to AC. AB equal to AC given because this one is isosceles triangle. And third one is AD equal to AD common. AD equal to AD common. So here by right angle hypotenuse side by RHS rule we can say that ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So if these two triangles are equal, then we can say that BD equal to DC, BD equal to DC, CPCT. So that means AD bisect BC, therefore AD bisect BC. First one is proved. Next one is AD bisect angle A. So similarly we can say that BAD equal to CAD. This one is also BAD equal to CAD, CPCT. So AD bisect angle A also proved. Question number 3 is also almost similar to question number 2. So try to solve this one is also. And if you have any doubt regarding these two questions, then you can ask me. Thank you.